Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video. And yesterday we talked a lot about AWS, like how they are providing 100 grand free credit for startups, right? But obviously at the end of the video I advised that you should first get to know about AWS, get familiarized with AWS, then actually apply for that AWS active program. But how will you know, like, AWS is such a big platform. It's like a ocean. It's like a ocean of architecture, sir. The AWS is basically infrastructure as a service. So they are basically providing you the whole infrastructure. Like, they have too many services, too many categories to choose from. So how will you find out which is right for you? Like, you have to do like dedicated, like, have to have dedicated courses, or have to achieve some kind of level to be able to actually understand the AWS platform. Is there any free resources available for AWS to get started with? Actually, AWS on their own is providing training programs. So obviously, at the end of the program, you will get also a certificate via AWS trainings. So let me show you directly what I am talking about. So if you land on the aws.training page, you will see there is this first course, that is AWS Cloud Practitioner, and this is basically 6 hours course, and obviously it's under fundamental. And to be honest, I have done this course and I have completed the whole course in one day. It's too easy to understand the whole AWS platform in one go. Like, they provide detailed instruction, they send a detailed explainer video and examples to get you familiarized with the whole AWS ecosystem. But keep one thing in mind, this is not any kind of professional training. This is just the bare minimum basic fundamentals. And they will provide the explanation of architectures and how the service works. They don't provide any hands on like experience. Like, they don't show you the actual AWS admin dashboard or how to use the actual AWS admin dashboard. They will just tell you about the use cases, how to build things up, how to choose a product, a particular product, what is their better use. They will talk about this only, okay? But to get started with and to understand this vast major platform, you should, obviously you should get this course or training. And it's just 6 hours, so obviously you can get it done in one day. Obviously I have done, so anyone can, to be honest, anyone can. So yeah, that's about it. Check out this course. Tell me if you like it or not. And if you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. Subscribing and liking my videos help a lot, so please. And rather than that, if you know some of the cool apps, some of the cool website, or some of the cool resources, courses like this, please let me know about all of them in the comments so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye.